Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today again with Accenture, few sample question which you may find if you're writing your test on green platform. There are three platform where Accenture asks you to write the first cognitive round assessment. One is metal platform, one is aeon platform, and sample questions of both the platforms are already there on our channel. Link is there in the description below. Please go through it. And today we would be discussing few sample questions which you might find if you're writing exams on green platform. And you know the drill. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please do us also know in the comment box that what different companies as assessment test sample question you want us to solve and help you out with any topic if it is there. So do subscribe to the channel, pause the session, look out for the solution after you have solved it by yourself. So on this note, let's start now. So on to the first question on the screen, which is actually a puzzle. And the best way to solve these puzzle is to put these data in the form of a grid. So what we have, there are 4 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the railway station for Tatkal, platform, reservation and general tickets, but not necessarily in the same order. 4% WXYZ are standing on this counter to buy a ticket, but not necessarily in the same order. So let us make this grid. WXYZ, 4 people standing on 4 counters, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and buying tickets Tatkal, platform, reservation or general tickets. This grid will always help us find the answer in no time. W does not buy Tatkal or reserve. W is not buying Tatkal or reserve ticket cross. He buys neither from counter 2 nor from counter 3. Not from 2, not from 3. Z goes to station to receive a guest. Obviously then G have bought a platform tickets. Z have purchased a platform ticket. So we put cross here. Now you can see that we have got one box empty in general tickets. That means W have purchased general ticket. Y does not buy ticket from counter 2. Y counter 2 cross. X does not buy Tatkal. X is no Tatkal. That means here we are left with, and automatically this grid is completed. Z buys ticket from counter 4. Z from counter 4, and we can see that this grid will also get completed automatically. That's it. Done. W is standing at 1, buying general ticket. X is standing at 2, buying reservation ticket. Y is standing at 3, buying Tatkal, and Z is standing at 4 and buying platform ticket. Once we have this, we can answer all the questions associated with it in no time. So, 3 question that follows after this is, which of the following tickets can be bought from counter number 4? As we have seen from the previous grid, counter number 4 is for platform ticket. W is stand at which of the following counter? W was buying general ticket from counter number 1. And one more question to follow here. Which of the following counter is for Tatkal ticket? And what we can see from the grid, Tatkal ticket was taken from counter number 3 by Y. So we mark on D. B is twice as old as A. So if A is X years old, B is 2X. but twice younger than F, then F is 4x years old. B is twice younger than F. C is half the age of A. C is x by 2, but is twice older than D. So D is x by 4. Who is the second oldest? F is the oldest. Second oldest is B. Option A is the fit. So Mohan is older than Praveer. So Mohan is older than Praveer. Suresh is younger than Praveer. That means Suresh should be here. Mihir is older than Suresh, but younger than Praveer. Then Mihir is between these. This is the oldest and this is the youngest. Who among the four is younger or the youngest? That is Suresh. Option D is the fit. This is one of the popular questions asked at this platform. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word sending? SENDING, each of which has as many letters between its two letters as there are between them in the English alphabets. So let me first write their positions in the English alphabets. S is 19, E5, N14, D4, I9, N14 and G is 7. Let's now read from 19. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, nothing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 4, 5, 6, 7, bingo. 4, 5, 6, 7, matched. 4, 5, 6, 7. So between D and G, we have E and F. In the English alphabets, here also there is difference of 2. 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, none. Now from the back also, we should read 7, 8, 9. These two are matching. G, then we have H, then we have I. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These two are also matching. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, not matching, 14, 15, 16, 5, 19, not matching. So, on the forward move, D and G are matching. On the backward move, G and S are matching. And N and I, sorry, G and I are matching, G and I and N and S. So, we have got 3 such pairs which are matching. Option D is the correct pick. Okay, let's see this one. Shan is 55 years old. Shitan is 5 years junior. That means he is 50 years old. And 6 years senior to Balan. So Balan is 50 minus 6, that is 44 years old. The youngest brother of Balan is Devan, who is 7 years junior to him. So Devan is 44 minus 7, that is 37. So what is the age difference between Shan and Devan, or Devan and Shan? That is 55 minus 37, 18 years. Age difference between Devan and Shan should be 18 years. Option B is the pick. Now moving on to the set of data sufficiency questions, which are again very popular on this platform. We know the drill for data sufficiency. A question is there, 2 statements are there. We just need to identify with help of which statement we can find the answer to the question. We are not supposed to answer the question. We are just to find whether the statements are sufficient enough to answer or not. Question is, the last Sunday of March 2006 fell on which date? The first Sunday of the month fell on 5th. Then obviously we can find that when the last Sunday would be. Because next Sunday would be on 12th, then plus 7, 19, then plus 7, 26. We can answer with the first statement alone that the last Sunday of this month March would fell on 26th. Now statement 2 says the last day of the month is Friday. Okay, so last day is 31st, that is Friday. So we can find that 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Again, with second statement also we can see that the last Sunday of the month March 2006 is falling on 26th. That means both the statement are individually sufficient to answer our question. Either 1 or 2 is sufficient. We'll mark on option C. Okay, let's see this example. On which day of the week was birthday of Sahil? Statement 1 says, Sahil celebrated his birthday the very next day on which Arun celebrated his birthday. But this statement doesn't give us any clue about when Arun has celebrated his birthday. 1 alone is not sufficient to answer. The sister of Sahil was born on the 3rd day of the week. Normally, week starts from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Sahil's sister is born on Wednesday. And 2 days after that, Sahil was born. That means we can answer with statement 2 alone that the day of the week the birthday of Sahil was. So I'll tick on 2 alone is sufficient while 1 alone is not sufficient. I'll mark on option C. One more to go. How many children does M have? M, how many children? Statement 1 says H is the only daughter of X, who is wife of M. So from first we are getting that M is male, X is wife of M, and H is the only daughter. But with this statement, we can't conclude that M have got only 1 children. That means statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Statement 2 says K and J are brothers of M. So M's brothers are K and J. This information also doesn't give us any clue about how many children does M have. Statement 2 alone is also not sufficient. Now if I combine these two, then also we don't know that how many children does M have. I'll mark on option C. Neither 1 nor 2 is sufficient to answer this question. One more question on data sufficiency related to people sitting in a row. How many children are there in a row of children facing north? First statement says, Vishaka, who is 5th from the left 5 is Vishaka, is 8th to the left of Ashish, who is 12th from the right end. So if we take 12th from the right hand is at position number this, and if there are 8 people to the left of Ashish till they reach Vishaka, we will get some other number of people in the row. And if we put 12 somewhere else, which is not possible because Vishaka is to the left of Ashish. That means this is correct. R12, this is Ashish. Vishaka, who is 5th from the left, is 8th to the left of Ashish, who is 12th from the right end. We can find the number of people sitting in this row because it is given that Vishaka is to the left of Ashish. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. Let's see statement 2. Rohit is 5th to the left of Nisha. We have Nisha here and Rohit is to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left of Nisha. Who is 7th from the right end. This is R7. And 18th from the left end. Beautiful. Only for Nisha, Nisha is 7th from the right end and 18th from the left end. With this data only we can find that how many people are there in the row. The number of people in the row would be 7 plus 18 minus 1. That is 24. Whatever it is, it hardly matters. But with statement number 2 alone also, we can find the answer. That means both the statement alone are sufficient to give us the answer. We'll mark on option C. Ramesh ranked 13th in the class of 33 students. There are 33 students and Ramesh is at 13th position. That means he is the 13th guy from the top. And there are 33 students. This is 33rd. There are 5 students below Suresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be Suresh. So Suresh is 32, 31, 30, 20, 28th position is of Suresh from the top. How many students are there between Ramesh and Suresh? Now we can see that from the top till Suresh we have got 28. 28th position is there of Suresh. 13 gone. So how many students are there between Suresh and Ramesh? It is 28 minus 13 minus 1. That is 14. Between Ramesh and Suresh, there are 14 students and not 15. Whenever the number of students are asked between two positions, and if you have got the ranking from the same side, like from the top we have got the ranking, then find the difference between the rank. Minus 1 will give you number of people between these two ranks. Now let's see one more on ranking. In a row of trees, a tree is 7th from the left and 14th from the right. Okay, so if with respect to one object, both the positioning from the left and right is known, the number of objects in the row are left plus right minus 1. Left rank plus right rank minus 1. That means there are 20 objects, 20 trees in this row. Option C is the pick. Okay, now we have a few questions where we need to complete the series, either numeric series or alphanumeric series. And the best way to deal is go for differences. And maximum number of time with help of difference table, we are able to find the answer. Here difference is 100, then is 110, then 120. That means the next difference would be 130 because differences are increasing by 10. So next number should be 430 plus 130, that is 560. Option C. Okay, one more. 20, 19, difference is 1, then here difference 2. So if we go by 3 and here by 4, here we are getting it 5. Bingo. So 17 minus 3 is 14 and then 14 minus 4 is 10. So the missing number is 14. Option C is the fit. Okay, one more. But here as I observe, the very next numbers are reducing in string count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, they deleted 5, front number. Then next they deleted 7. Then next they deleted 8. The next they should delete 3. Next number should be 9, 6, 5, 4, 2. That is in option D. One more, 2, 10 and then 40. This is giving me hint of multiplication. Let us see. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4, 40, 40 into 3. Bingo. It is into 5, into 4, into 3. That should then it should be into 2 and then into 1. So 120 into 2 is 240 and 240 into 1 is also 240. That means the missing number is 240. Option D. Now another one. So we can see that all numbers are in decreasing mode. 5690 minus 5121 is 569. So 4552 plus 569, 112, 151. Bingo. This is also 569. 569. All numbers are reducing by 569. 2845 minus 569. 1596. Then we have 7. And then we have 2, 2. So it should be 2276. Option A is the pick. Okay. So we have 8, 28, 116, 584, and then next. These kind where the differences are not going to match, we can form a difference table which may get up to 2 or 3 levels, but we can try also something else, like 8 into 4, 34, but not 4. 8 into 3 is 24. So 8 into 3 plus 4 is 28. Now 28 into 3, not 4. 28 into 4, 32, 3, 112. Bingo. Plus 4 is 116. Let's check. 116 into 5, 580. Plus 4 is 584. Beautiful. The next number should be 584 into 6 plus 4. 24, 2, 55, 35 plus 4. That should be 3508. And that we have in option C. Okay, one more. Like, you will get 3 to 4 questions on the green platform related to number series. So that's why I'm putting up so many sample questions. 6, 11, 21, 36, 56. Here let us try to locate some pattern with differences. 5, 10, here is 15, bingo. 20, we can see the differences are in AP series. So next number should be 25, 56, 76, 581. So option C is the pick here. Now here we can see that first two terms are same. Many a times if you see that first two terms are same, it is quite a possibility that this is a mix of two series at least. And how to identify the two series? Get this series after the jumps. Like 20 to 19 minus 1. Then 19 to 17 is minus 2. 17 to 14 is minus 3. Then 14 to the next number should be minus 4. That means this number should be 10. Let's check with the next numbers. 20, 16 minus 4. 16, 13 minus 3. 13, 11 is minus 2. Then the next number should be 11 minus 1. That is 10. That means the two missing numbers are 10, 10. Those are in option A. Now one more. 21, 9, 21, 11, 21. So we can see that after every one number they are putting up 21. So if we delete that, let us try to locate some relationship. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus 2 is 13. That means next one would be plus 2 again. That is 13 plus 2 is 15. So option B is the pick. So one more we have, and what does it say? 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. A number is coming twice. 53 minus 13 is 40. Minus 13 is 27. So the next number should be 27 minus 13. That is 14. Option B. Okay, one more, but here they are not asking about the next term. They are asking about the 8th term of the series. That means this series would be either arithmetic progression or geometric progression. High chances are that only. So if we see 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 54 divided by 18 is also 3. That means it is a GP series. Your first term is 2 and common ratio is 3. Term 8 would be given by a into r to the power 7, where term n is given by a into r to the power n minus 1. So term 8 is 2 into 3 to the power 7. So that is 2 into 2, 1, 8, 7, 14, 16, 17, 1, 3 and 4. 4, 3, 7, 4, and that is we have in option B. Okay, so next set of few questions are from classification or finding the odd one out or finding out the wrong term in the given series. So as we have a look, 8, 14, 26. As I'm writing the number, I can get the feel that they are getting doubling up. They are doubled. Let's see. 8 into 2 is 16, minus 2 will give 14. 14 into 2, 28, minus 2 is 26. Very good. 26 into 2 is 52, minus 2 is 50, but this is 48. Now 50 into 2, 100 minus 2 is 98. This we are getting. That means 48 is the wrong term in this series. This should be 50. Option B is the pick. Okay, one more again, a number series, and we need to find the wrong one out. 150, 450, 750, bingo. Every numbers are ending with 50. Why not this is ending with 50? Again, this is 300 plus 300. Here also is 300. Here also gap of 300. 1060 is the wrong number. Correct number should be 1050. This is a peculiar type of classification example where 4 options are the 4 number pairs. We need to identify the number pair which do not follow the same pattern, same common property as the other 3 pairs do. 16, 18. Okay, 8 into 2. No, 2 into 8. 2 into 8, and this is 2 into 9. 56 is 7 into 8. Bingo. This is 7 into 9. Beautiful. Then 96 into 8 means 12. 12 into 8 is 96. And 12 into 9 is 108. 86, 99 if I put, that is 9 into 11. And then it should be like, okay, this is 11 into 9. Then it should be 11 into 8. This should be 88, not 86. If it is 88, then it matches the classification. Option D is the pick, is the odd one out. Which one does not belong to the group? Kitten, baby, calf is baby cow, foal is baby deer, kitten is baby cat. Goat is not baby of any. B, option B is the pick. Next few questions are from coding, decoding, and let's see what different questions we have. In a certain code, registration is coded at this. What is accurate? Okay, if I read this clearly, this is register. R-E-G-I-S-T, R-E-G-I-S-T, and then N-O-I-T-A-R. Okay, at the midpoint, A-C-C-U, and then we have R-A-T-E. It will go like A-C-C-U, and then R-A-T-E. The code should be U-C-C-A-E-T-A-R. U-C-C-A-E-T-A-R is in option A. Reverse order. From the middle is the reverse way of writing all the alphabets.